Actually, when we were growing up, we heard that this fruit only one side edible.
And what does it taste like from
It
your...
has a pineapple taste, a pineapple mango sort of taste.
My Jamaican family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. So, I've shared with you the dragon fruit, the black sapote, the psyllium, the granadilla, the java plum, and several other unusual fruits found right here in Jamaica, including the egg fruit, of course. Today, from the lush green hills of Mount Peace in Hanover, I bring you the Mamey Sapote, aka the Mamey Fruit. Rich, nutritious, unusual fruit found right here in Jamaica. First though, special invitation for those who are new, who are here for the very first time, or have not yet subscribed to my channel. I invite you now to join us. I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, including stuff like this, unusual fruits, medicinal herbs, unusual attractions, those kind of things. I don't want you to miss any of that. So, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, for whatever reason, don't feel bad. It's a good time now. Just hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on my latest videos. Oh, by the way, I have a little bonus for you in the form of a trivia challenge. So stay with me. Let's go to Mamey Sapote. So we're here, guys, in lush green Mount Peace in Hanover, Jamaica, and you should recognize his face. This is the beer leaf man, Uncle Ray Wagwane.
Well, this time.
Every time. And this is neighbor, Miss, what's her name again? Miss Garden. And these people know about this fruit here. So we're gonna test your local knowledge of it. So first, let me ask Miss Garden. Tell me about this mystery fruit here. For many of us, it's a mystery fruit.
Mommy. If you don't ripe, don't drop.
Yes.
You peel it.
And
you eat it.
You peel it.
Yeah, you have to peel it.
So this one, by the way, guys, she cut it out just a while ago. It was found under the tree. It's huge, right? About the size of a small breadfruit. Yeah. So this one was found on the ground, but you can see the seed. We're gonna take out the seed. Tell me first about your knowledge of it, Miss Garden. Tell me first. We're gonna cut it afterwards. Tell me what you know about this fruit.
I know that you can eat. When it's ripe, you drop, you pick it up and you peel it, and you eat it.
You just eat it. You don't blend it. You don't do anything.
No, never blend it. Just eat it.
All right. Let me hear Uncle Ray.
Very nice.
Uncle Ray, what do you know about this fruit, sir?
Actually, when we were growing up, we heard that this fruit only one side edible. And
only one side edible.
Yeah. And after you were sort of afraid, skeptical of it, you know. But after growing up, obviously birds eating it and stuff like that, we said no, so we have to try it too.
So let me ask you, which side
I don't quite remember if it's the right side or the left side. They say can be eaten.
No, they used to say that, but the whole thing, everything can eat.
I know.
Everything can eat. So when did you find out that everything? You heard the story about the one side?
Nothing like that.
Yeah, but
one side can eat.
Well, let me ask Uncle Ray then. So you heard about one side, but when did you start to eat it, Uncle Ray?
You know, as a young Rastafarian, and you have to experiment with fruits. And look at nature, and you see that birds eat this fruit. So you say nothing can be wrong with it.
So that's a Rastaman philosophy. That from the bird eat it, man.
Yeah, it's edible.
All right. So what we're gonna do? There's another one here. So we're learning, guys, as we go along. We're learning that it only falls off a tree when it is ripe. All right. And can you pick it and put it to ripe?
No, you can't pick it.
You have to leave it on the tree to ripe.
You have to leave it on the tree to ripe. When it ripe, it drop.
It drop. Okay. And then you pick it up.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. So we're hoping that one will fall. There's still a couple on the tree here. We're hoping that one will fall before we leave. But so this one was on there. But I'm gonna ask Uncle Ray. There's another one that we just picked here. I'm gonna ask Uncle Ray to pick this one up.
And cut it.
Yeah, man, and cut it and let's see. So this one we pick off a tree. Just for demonstration purposes. So so it's a little bit
That's right.
almost. It's turn. We say turn, all right?
Yeah.
So let's talk about it a little bit, Uncle Ray. So this is the seed. It's one seed apparently.
Truly.
No, one seed.
One seed. Only one big seed. And the seed is almost like a mango seed. All right. Tell me about the texture of the meat, because this is what you eat, right?
Yeah, definitely so. Texture.
How do you have it?
Well, we generally just peel it and slice it and eat it.
What does it taste like from
It
your?
has a pineapple taste, a pineapple mango sort of taste.
Yes. A pineapple mango.
No, I don't wanna. All right.
You couldn't taste it. What if you taste that now? What if you peel it and taste it?
No,
What's gonna happen?
Nothing.
We're not gonna die. Right?
No, how you die?
All right, so the taster is here, guys. The taster is in the building. Miss Jamrock, remember her?
Yeah.
All right. So it's turn. Is it bitter, Miss Jamrock? So what you mean, ma'am?
It tastes good.
Tastes good. What does it taste like in your estimation, Miss Jamrock?
Kind of like June plum, but not that. That's a tangy.
All right.
Yeah.
So, well, what we're hearing, and certainly from our research on Korea, is that it has a pumpkin, sweet potato, honey taste when it's fully ripe. You agree?
Truly.
All right. So here we guys. I'll have some, and you know it's loaded with nutrients. By the way, before we mention, I'm gonna mention that to you guys, but I want a taste too. Give me a piece of taste. Give me a taste. All right, thank you, man. So it's a little bit showy. It's a little bit showy, but it's good.
It's not ripe.
Yeah, because it's not fully ripe, but it's just really nice. Well, it's good to me. Mango. I taste the mango. I taste the pineapple.
Yeah.
But when it's fully ready, you said it's gonna have the honey and the sweet potato taste. That's what I told.
Yeah.
All right, but guys, you need to know that this fruit here, this unusual fruit here, found in the hills of Mount Peace in Hanover, Jamaica, is loaded with fiber, loaded with vitamin C, loaded with vitamin A, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin E, B vitamins, and copper. And what does that mean for us? I'm going to share with you now 12 amazing health benefits to be derived from this unusual fruit. Another one is found right here in Jamaica. Number one, it's rich in antioxidants. The Mamey Sapote, they said, is loaded with antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Number two, supports digestive health. It's high in fiber, we mentioned earlier, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports regular bowel movement. Number three, it boosts the immune system. It's rich in vitamin C, we mentioned already, which strengthens the immune system, enhance immune response, and helps protect against infections. Number four, good for the heart. Yeah, man, it contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and support heart health. Number five, and when I reach number six, I'm going to talk a little bit about this place here in what is the name of it? Mount Peace. Mount Peace here in Hanover, Jamaica. Number five, it enhances skin health. The Sapote is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that contribute to healthy skin, protecting against oxidative damage, reducing signs of aging, and promote a radiant complexion. I told you about that, Miss Jamrock. Remember? In fact, I was contemplating using it to make a mask, a face mask as well. But next time, perhaps. Number six, support eye health. The fruit contains vitamin A and oxidants that are essential for maintaining good vision, protecting against age-related macular degeneration, and promoting overall eye health. I'm gonna pause at number six. We're going to 12, but I want to just bike pass in here. So pause that number. Another one. All right, that one gone. All right, so Miss Jamrock, guys, is captivated by this fruit here. Absolutely love it, apparently. So she asks Uncle Ray to pick another one. So there goes another one. And just before we go to number 6, guys, I want to just stop and salute, highlight, big up, recognize, appreciate, if you will, this area. This is the Mount Peace area of Hanover, rich in nutraceuticals, according to Miss Jamrock. In fact, where we are now, I can identify at least 30 medicinal plants right here. And these include, in addition to the fruits, coconut, mango, breadfruit, almond, ackee, apple, and banana. I also observe moringa, moringa, broomweed, guaco, cerci, guava, ramgoat dashalan, mulberry, noni, bafida, never die or quick stick, and a whole lot more stuff in this area here of Jamaica. Miss Jamrock call it the nutraceutical capital of Jamaica. All right, but number 6, honey banana, Miss Garden is adding as well. What else you have, Miss Garden?
Honey banana.
Honey banana.
Coconut palm tree.
A coconut palm tree. Have everything. Number 6 though. Number 6. Support eye health. Oh, actually, I mentioned number 6 already. Support eye health. Number 7. Boost energy levels. All of the nutrients in this plant here. We're talking about how they can help you, help me. And number 7 says boost energy levels. Right? The Mamey Sapote is a great source of carbohydrate, providing a natural energy boost and sustained energy release throughout the day. Number 8, supports bone health. The fruit contains calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are all essential for maintaining strong bone, teeth, and overall bone health. Number 9, aids weight management. The Mamey Sapote is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps promote satiety, control appetite, and support healthy weight management. Number 10, Mamey Sapote has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 11, coming down, improves cognitive function. The fruit contains nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants that contribute to brain health, improve cognitive function, and support memory and concentration. Mr. Ray's eating like crazy behind us, guys. They're digging into it. Number 12, provides nutritional support. Generally, the Mamey Sapote is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, including vitamin B6, folate, iron, and potassium, which provides overall nutritional support and optimum health. Mr. Ray, again, my brother.
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure.
You didn't know anything. You didn't know. I
didn't know so much.
You didn't know so much about this thing here. Now you know.
Definitely.
Now you know, and it's not a dopey fruit.
You see,
it's not a poisonous fruit. It's actually very healthy. It actually, for the persons on the eastern side of Jamaica, I learned that they have it quite abundant there in St. Mary, and but the rest of us on this side, brand new for us, and a lot of persons watching are seeing it for the very first time.
If I should have said too, the name sound like it's a more Thai name, I feel.
So hold on, no man, you know what you're talking about, man. You know what you're talking about. You did the research, Mr.
No, I didn't do research on this, but the name,
Yeah.
The Mamey.
All right. Well, actually, no, you mentioned it. Actually is. It was a Taino derived name, meaning the same Arawak language people. So, which is interesting. In fact, guys, I'm gonna share now. I'm gonna test your knowledge now. We're gonna have a little trivia. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up now. I'm gonna have a little trivia for you now, and I want you to I want you to share your response in the comment. All right. Number 1. What is the botanical name for the Mamey Sapote? All right, I'll give you a second to type it. Do you know, Mr. Ray?
No, I don't know.
All right, so the answer, the botanical name for it is Potassium sapota. Correct, Ms. Jamrock? Ms. Jamrock is helping me here.
Sapote.
Help me with this English. Poutaria sapota. That's the botanical name or the scientific name. If you want to research it further, my friends. Number 2. Where is the native habitat of the Mamey Sapote? I'm testing your knowledge as well, Uncle Ray, as well as this person who is watching online right now. Do you know where it's native to? If you know online, go ahead and drop it in the comment again, guys.
I would say it's endemic to Jamaica.
Central America, Southern Mexico, and the Caribbean. Yes. So this general area. Number 3. How long does it take for the Mamey Sapote tree to bear fruit?
Wow.
All right. So Uncle Ray is pondering. What about you? I want to hear from you. I'm going to tell you now. On average, Mamey Sapote takes about 5 to 7 years to bear its first fruits. Number 4. Just 2 more to go. Number 4, Uncle Ray. What is the significance of the Mamey Sapote tree in local folklore or tradition, as far as you know? What do you know of it in terms of local folklore?
Well, just like the cotton tree, they always said that the ancestors used to sit under the Mamey tree,
For real?
Yeah.
For real?
In the shade, yeah.
Ah, interesting. Interesting. All right.
So well, it's a spiritual tree.
It's a spiritual tree. Yeah. That's what you know.
Yeah.
Well, in some cultures, it is to believe to have spiritual properties indeed. But it's associated many places with fertility and abundance. Interesting. Wow. Number 5. How tall can a mature Mamey tree grow? What do you think, Uncle Ray?
About 30 meters.
30 meters. A little bit less than that. Yeah. You're a little bit ambitious. It's actually 18 meters or 60 feet. Yeah, okay. Yes. A mature Sapote tree can reach impressive heights of up to 60 feet, which is about the same height as this one here, right? And number 6, and finally, come on, guys! I want you to put in your comment. Let me hear from you. What is the average lifespan of a Mamey Sapote tree? You first, Uncle Ray, and then my viewer. What on average? What do you say? Well, let me ask. How long do you know this tree here?
From ever since.
Oh, you born and see it here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, let me hear from you online, guys. Come on, drop it in the comment. You can go ahead and guess if you're not sure. Excellent.
70 years.
Yeah. Excellent, man. Excellent. The tree has an average lifespan of 50 to 75 years, right in the middle, depending on various factors such as environmental condition and care. And up here in the, what's the name of the place again, Ms. Jammer? Mount Peace. Yeah. It probably will go to 100 years because it has the ideal climate up here. Totally. Lovely, lovely. Well, guys, give yourself a pat on the back. How many you got right? Yeah, man. How much you got right, Uncle Ray?
I guess it's only one.
which is how long it lasts. Yes. Very good, very good. What is all in the fun of it. And this is a tree here. This is a baby tree, actually, a baby tree. And we are encouraging you, sir, to cultivate some more of it because you're gonna be getting some calls. Truly. It's extremely healthy. Yeah. Extremely nutritious. Most people around these parts don't know nothing about it. They, in fact, you were saying to me, a couple persons pass, by the way, guys. Some local people pass, and they live here, and some of them say they've never had it before. They think it's duppy fruit. But now we're enlightening everybody that this is actually not just very nutritious. Awesome, incredible. Mamey Sapote. All right, Uncle Ray, guys, is busy picking up the seeds because he's gonna be in business here. He's gonna be in business. He's serious about it. So, in fact, if persons are interested, Uncle Ray, in learning more about this or to get a plant of it, I'm gonna invite them to reach out to you. But how can they get you? How can they reach you?
Through my cell number, 408-4282.
876, of course, in Jamaica here.
Surely.
In 36 America. All right, guys, big up Mr. Ray again. You remember him? You remember him from the Believe video, man. Give him a thumbs up right now. Thank you, Miss Jamrock. Remember her?
Yeah.
Miss Jamrock, guys. Yeah. She was responsible for all of these contacts and all of these links. Yeah. Make sure you visit her channel at, remind me, Miss Jamrock?
Miss Jamrock on Facebook.
Miss Jamrock. On YouTube. Lovely, 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 lovely. The Mamey Sapote or the Mamey Fruit, my friend. Interesting, not true? Yes, yes. But you know that most persons who watch this video are seeing it for the very first time. In fact, most persons in Jamaica don't know anything about this fruit. So I'm depending on you now. Please go ahead and share this video. Come on, spread the knowledge. Alright? Number one. Number two, there's another video I did on the black sapote. That's another fruit, another unusual fruit that you need to see with Mr. Mark and his wife. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.